Welcome back to our channel. I'm Mary.
I'm Lizzie.
And today we're going to be making DIY slimes
For trick-or-treaters.
So we're going to be making slime for trick-or-treaters who come to our house on Halloween.
So all the stuff we have here we bought on Amazon. So we're going to be showing you how to make DIY slime for trick-or-treaters.
Two DIY slime.
Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah, so you can make them for your trick-or-treaters too. So I have Elmer's school glue. I have 2 pounds of glitter. I have an orange pigment. You can use food coloring if you want, but I just like the way the pigment looks in the slime and once you mix it up and it's ready. I have 2 shaving creams. I actually bought this as a 6-pack off Amazon. And I have these little containers. They were about $10. I have 3 packs. And all of this is from Amazon.
Yeah. So we both have the same containers. I have a gallon of clear glue, 2 pounds of black glitter, and 1 bottle of soft gel black paste.
Black food coloring.
It says soft gel paste.
It's black food coloring, is it?
Soft gel paste. So I'm making a black glitter glue slime.
And I'm making a fluffy orange glitter slime. 2 perfect colors for Halloween. So you ready? First step, empty out your container. Oh, and you're gonna need a container to hold your gallon of glue.
First step, add your gallon of glue.
Oh, I was like, what fell behind me? But she threw her top. Want to erase?
I'm already done.
Oh no!
So yeah, we'll erase.
I spilled so much on me.
Done, I win. Okay, next step is to add your glitter.
Okay guys, so the next step, I'm gonna be adding my Okay guys, for the next step, I'm gonna be adding my shaving cream.
Woo! Is it my lip or my teeth?
Oh no, I left my spoon in there. I see it right now. I accidentally covered it with shaving cream.
Okay. Hopefully. Okay, I'm adding my gel black paste. Okay, I'm adding my food coloring. Guys, it smells good. It smells like, it just smells good. It smells like a candle or something, a good scented candle.
Okay. Now let's add half of this one. You don't want to add too much shaving cream or the slime won't come out fluffy, but it'll come out like a hard rock. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add my pigment.
I'm just gonna wait for her so we can add the glitter at the same time.
I added all the pigment. Because once I mix in the shaving cream, it's gonna lighten the color a little bit. So I want it to be a perfect Halloween orange. Okay guys, so the next step is to add the glitter. There you go. 1 bubble is fine, so it's not overactivated with glitter. We were gonna add 2, but 1 should just be enough. Oh, I really like the way it looks. It looks so pretty.
Okay guys, so now let's mix it up.
Ooh, it looks so pretty. Oh, here's my spoon.
This is also like a DIY black glitter glue because you can never find them.
This is so pretty.
It looks like magnetic slime.
Oh, it does. Whoa, so pretty. When you have pigment, you don't want to mix too fast or otherwise
The pigment flies everywhere.
they're coming together so nice and pretty.
Okay guys, so these are such easy slimes. The next step is to
Activate it!
Guys, we're using Tide.
You probably got that on.
Yeah, probably. You guys can use borax or magical liquid or wherever you like. Just make sure you know it works with slime.
Yeah.
Tide is our absolute favorite though.
And magical liquid because it makes it jiggly. Those
Yeah.
are only for jiggly slimes.
Yeah. I got some of your black slime in my orange one. Whoa, look at this, guys.
what I love about black slime, because when you hold it up in the light, it's like purple. So cool. Okay guys, it's time for the best part.
We got our slimes all work together.
Yeah.
This is why I love fluffy slime. It makes awesome swirls.
Ooh, this is so stretchy.
Wow.
This is so cool.
Oh guys, and we also just overactivated it a little bit because they're gonna be sitting in containers until Halloween. I think it's like the 22nd today. And nobody wants sticky slime, so they should be perfect.
It's almost Halloween. I just realized that. What are you guys gonna be? I still don't know. We went to the Halloween store.
I found a cape
And we went on
fake
Amazon.
teeth and fake blood so I could be a vampire.
Yeah, she's gonna be a vampire.
A cape.
I don't know. So here's mine with black glitter.
And here's mine, the one that makes awesome and crunchy bubbles. I love fluffy slime. It's my absolute favorite. Okay, is are you ready to add these into the containers?
Yeah. This is like the perfect slime logo, have a black glitter.
Okay guys, so we got all our, well, we got our slimes ready. So now we're just gonna set up our containers. Oh, I should probably keep the tops in here until it's time for those. We're gonna we're gonna do one bag at a time so we have space for our slime and our containers. Okay guys, so I set up all my containers and when I'm ready for Izzy, guys, all you have to do is grab like a handful and put it in. A handful is usually the perfect amount. And if you want, you could top your slimes with stuff. Like you could top it with
yeah, I'm gonna top mine with eyeballs because the spiders could definitely not see in this.
So I'm gonna top mine with a spider on each, and just the ones, they get one until we run out, and this lucky one will have an eyeball. We weren't planning to add these on, but we just have these left over from yesterday's video, so 60 spiders. So let's start adding this. And one handful is perfect. Don't forget.
And sometimes you can take one handful and split it in half if your hands are big.
These are so pretty. The trick-or-treaters are gonna love them.
I know. I hope we get a lot of trick-or-treaters.
Yeah.
Usually we only get like 4.
Bruh.
But when we go trick-or-treating, we take one and then the teenagers take the whole bowl. Last year at Halloween, we put a whole bowl of candy and said, please only take one. And then we watched the security camera. We saw some teenagers put the whole bowl of candy in their bag, and then there wasn't enough for the kids. We saw them. That's what we do. Basically, that's what we do.
That's what you do, Izzy?
What? We put the candy out.
Oh.
And then when we get home, we watch the security camera if the bowl's empty.
Wow, this slime is so cool. I'm so excited to pass these out. Okay.
Oh, you know what? If our first trick-or-treater, we'll get both. Like the special one with the eye. We can mix some in container. Give me some orange.
Okay.
Oh, that's pretty. Here, this one. Give me a spider.
What?
Because you can see it.
Okay. These are looking amazing.
Okay, eyeball time. I like it.
More
They're so
containers.
squishy. I like it. I'm gonna push it in so it looks like an eye. Guys, whenever I squeeze an eye, it always has an eye bubble. Okay, 5 lucky trick-or-treaters will get a slime with an eyeball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. And
6.
6.
Hey, don't take out my spiders.
I'm putting some spiders with the eyeballs. They're lucky. I'm just in love with these slimes, especially the ones with the eyeballs. They're so cool.
No, these slimes look amazing. Okay, time to add the spiders. It looks like I'll just have just enough to have a spider in every one.
Guys, this is just so satisfying and fun to fill the containers.
Okay.
I wish we had a slime shop. It'd be like the best thing ever.
Me too. Guys, comment on Instagram if we should have a slime shop.
I just make awesome slime for you guys all the time. I'd be like in my little lab creating it.
Can I have some black?
Yeah.
Thank you. They get a swirl. And
Can I have some spiders?
yeah.
Or I'm gonna do some black and then I'll do the next spiders.
Look at this, it's so pretty.
Okay, I have my containers.
Let's fill up our slimes and then talk. We're on our last pack of containers. We might have to get more.
Okay guys, so I'm almost done. This is like
My last set of containers.
Me too. I think we're gonna have to get more. Or we'll just have leftover. Okay guys, so we got our slimes all in the container, but we still have some leftover slimes and we're out of containers. So it looks like this is just leftover for us.
so. But I think we'll probably make more slimes. We just have to get more containers.
Yeah.
But look at our slimes, guys. I'm gonna start putting the containers on.
You mean the tops?
Oh.
Guys, these are so cool.
These are hard to put the containers on. They have a nice seal.
Yep. Okay guys, so we're almost done putting the tops on. I have a little bit less than Izzy to go.
Putting the tops on is the hardest part of all
Yeah.
because they don't snap on easily.
They're sealed tight, so but that is good. But guys, I don't think we ever showed
yeah,
you
for
what
they
they
don't
look
spill on their candy.
like in the container. Here's the slime in the container. Let's stick that in. Wow, so that's what it looks like, guys. Oh, and this is one with the eyeballs in it. And a spider. Whoa. That one's cool. Okay, almost done. Okay, guys, so we finally put all the tops on. Guys, I love this one. It's like a Halloween zebra.
Look at this
Very
one.
cool. Yeah, putting the tops on was the hardest part of all because you try to put it on and one side would be up.
Yeah.
But anyways, I think the trick-or-treaters are really gonna love them. They turned out super cool. And now I just can't wait until Halloween to pass them out.
Me too. I think we may have to make more though. I don't know if we'll have enough.
Yeah, we're not just gonna put these in the bowl and leave them on our porch and say take one. Well, bye guys! Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!
Bye. Bye.